Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. Today in this video, I want to discuss with you how to make a medley or how to club two bhajan songs together, okay, in flute. So what is medley? That we will learn how to merge two songs together and perform. That we will learn, okay. In this channel, if you are a regular viewer, then you can understand. First, we have gone through with Bhajani Theka. Then we learned how to play Achyutam Keshavam. Third, we learned how to play Sri Krishna Govinda. Now we have two bhajan songs, which is Achyutam Keshavam and another is Sri Krishna Govinda. This together song we will play on this Bhajani Theka. Okay, I am taking C scale flute, 140 BPM of Bhajani Theka. You can also take that. Okay, so what is medley? Medley is the clubbing of these two songs. Okay, merging two songs, but there is some rules. The basic and important rule is that tal will be same. I mean, we cannot change the tal. Suppose 4x4 we are going and change suddenly again 3x4. That cannot be done. Okay, and majorly the chords of the songs, two songs or 3-4 songs, whatever the songs we are taking, most of the same chords, not the much deviations. We cannot go major and then kind of shift to minor. So that is not a good practice, you can say. So Achyutam Keshavam and Sri Krishna Govinda almost are following the same kind of notes, same kind of chords they are sharing. So we will do this. We'll do merge these two songs. But before that, we'll create a music that is on top of the Bhajani Theka. That will be creation. There you can create. Okay. So first we will follow by like that. We will play a little alap on Bhajani Theka. Then the Achyutam Keshavam song. Achyutam Keshavam song is very, you can say, the songs tunes are similar. Achyutam Keshavam, the paragraphs are following the same tunes. So if you are continuously playing the same tunes, it will be a little bit monotonous. Somebody is singing, then that is a meaning, because you can understand, you can connect with the lyrics. But if you are playing the flute continuously, it would be better if you pour a little more ingredient inside it. Okay, so we'll do first alap in Bhajani Theka, then Achyutam Keshavam, then again alap, then we will say it is called prelude, then song Achyutam Keshavam, then again interlude, then Achyutam Keshavam, because verse 1, verse 2, that is the way. Inside of the verse 1 and verse 2, the interlude should be there, and the song before the prelude section will be there. So we'll create the prelude, we'll play the Achyutam Keshavam song verse 1, then we'll create the interlude, then go for verse 2, then followed by create by another tune, then merging Sri Krishna Govinda. Okay, so let me play. So what I played a alap on top of the Bhajani Theka. This is a creation. This is a creativity. You create. You can also create. You take the notes inside the Achyutam Keshavam and create your own music. Okay, and this is called alap. First one, verse 1, which can say prelude on top of the Bhajani Theka. Then the song section will come. So this is an example I have played just now. So first I played a prelude, then I entered to the Achyutam Keshavam. Achyutam Keshavam verse 1 I played, then play a little interlude, then play verse 2, then coming back to Sri Krishna Govinda. In that, now Sri Krishna Govinda, if you have observed, there I have cut somewhere, then again play a little bit of tune of myself, then I have gone through the last part. Eknath Swami Sakha Tumhare, and then the ending part. And Radhe Krishna, Radhe Krishna, Radhe Radhe Krishna, Krishna Radhe Krishna, Gagama, Re Re Ga, Da Da Da, Da Di Da. When these entire things are clear to you and you understood what I trying to say, like this way you can merge these two songs and make your performance ready for 3 to 4 minutes performance. You can easily make it. Okay, please try your best to create the tune. If you need help from my end to create these notations or kind of, I will make a video another for on top of the how do you are creating a notations. That you can try, but initial help I can give you. You go through the songs, what are the notes you are touching. From there you will take and create your own tunes. First you try. If you are thinking you need my help, please mention this in comment section. I will try my best to making another video and give it to you back. Okay, see you. Bye bye.